Hi everyone, it's Sean, and this is the model haul for the March 20th weekend. So I will show you only bought 4 this time, most of them from a model shop. So I bought the Robin's Redbird motorbike from the Batman and Robin movie. I bought the 50th anniversary moon landing Columbia and Eagle. You can see that here. And I bought the Spaceship 2 and White Knight 2 from Revel, specifically because Spaceship 2 was named VSS Enterprise. And from the Antique and Collectibles show in Ottawa, I found the AMT Etrl Lost in Space ship from the movie. So I'm going to open them and we'll take a look at the 4 kits briefly. So I'll be right back. So the first kit I'm opening is the Batman and Robin motorbike. You can see the sides of the box here. There's that side. So ages 10 and up, 1/12 scale. So the motorbike is twice the size of a normal model car. Oh, look, it includes the Robin figure. Good. I haven't seen this Batmobile yet, but that would be the something else to look for. Let's see what the copyright date is. Where is the copyright date anyway? Oh, here we go. 1997. There we go. Okay, so let's see what's in it. Oh, this is great. This is good. They put the instructions right at the top. That's what I usually do with my model kits. And you can see all the steps of the instructions, page by page, how to put the vehicle and everything together. And the Robin figure himself. I guess he's comes in several pieces. Probably have to paint him before you... Oh, well, it lists the colors. That's great. I guess there'll be some masking there. And of course, there are the decals. There's the decal sheet. Revel monogram, so... Revel monogram, really. Oh yeah, there it is. See, Voyager 1995 was just monogram. And of course, the newer kits are just Revel. But that's really good. Let's see what the parts look like. So there's Robin's cape. Oh my, lots of chrome parts here. See? All the chrome parts for the bike. And all the body parts here. Oh, okay, here we go. So after you get all the parts for the bike out, then you see all the parts that make up the figure. I see, and you can see exactly where the red is going to go, so you have to carefully mask that off. Oh, that's great. And you got the 2 tires and everything. Oh, that's good. So we'll put all that back in and we'll move on to the next kit. Okay, so the next kit is the 50th anniversary Columbia and Eagle. Oh, look, there you go. You get some paint included and glue. That's good. 2019, Revel, Germany. Oh, look at the back of the box. Oh my, okay, level 3, so it's right in the middle of the scale. Good. And you can see the whole back and everything. That's great. There's the English words right in gray. So I am going to, let's see here. How do we open it? Oh, okay. Give me one moment. I'll be back. Got the end of the box open just by carefully slicing the tape along the divider. Okay, so it opens up a bit like a Herbie. All right. Carefully. All right. Instructions first. Here you go. Nice full color. That's what I love about the Revel Germany kits. They're always in full color. Let's see here. Okay. So it shows you the different colors. And some that are a mixture. Shows you all the parts on their respective sprue trees. See, on the left page. And then how to put some of the parts together on the right page. I'm actually going to angle the camera out so I get a better view. Right back. Okay, I'm back. Oh, there we go, that's better. I wanted to get the same angle that I see as I am holding it up. So there we go. So there is the image. Good. Oh, okay, that's quite detailed, but the good thing is it shows all the decals. It shows the exact shade of the colors, so that's what I'd be aiming for. All the way along. And the final inside page even shows the shade of the rocks, which looks a lot like a Tamiya Haze gray to me. Ooh, even astronaut figures. And then the back. Okay, so you see there's several different images and options. So that's that one. Look at how shiny gray the rock plastic is. And you can see the plastic of the ship parts and the clear parts under here. Won't take them out of the bag for now. Oh, there's the included paint and model glue. Since it's 2019, they should still work. I'll probably use the exact colors it has here because they're part of it. Alright, so I'll be back with next kit. Alright. So you see the bottom, it looks so very much like a plane on its stand, and it has the whole description here. Well, actually, there's 4 different panels of all English. Okay. Nothing much on either side, so I will take a look at the, let's see what skill level it said. Skill level 4, okay, so it's a bit higher up than the other one. So let's take a look. First we have this instruction sheet. Now this one's in black and white. Ooh, is that the decals? Ah, yes, the decals are hidden inside. That's very clever. The safety instructions. There you go. See? 2013, which is the same year Enterprise was launched. So there you go. Now, it does say Spaceship 2. You can't exactly see the name Enterprise anywhere. But you know it was called VSS Enterprise. I'll find a way to maybe sneak an Enterprise label into there somehow. So that's already 9 years old. That's pretty good. Keep finding these new unique kits every time I go to Ottawa. And you know, it's laid out like the other instructions. You can see all the parts on the sprue trees and everything. All the way to the final step, which is, oh wow. That's quite complicated, but I will just take my time and go step by step. But what I'm going to, oh look, there you go, see? See that right-facing page, step 38? Building it as Virgin Galactic VSS Enterprise. That's perfect. There you go. All right. So I'll take a look at these parts. They're all in one bag. Pretty well. You have the smaller parts here in this bag, and then you have the larger parts and the clear parts here in that bag right there. Okay, so I will put these back in the box, and I will get the next kit out. Well, it'll be the 4th and final kit, actually. So the 4th and final kit is the Lost in Space from the movie. The person at the toy convention I got it from said it was probably the plastic wrap that gradually tightened the box lid and scrunched it like that. But if you just carefully, don't want to break anything. Ah, here we go. The box lid is slowly returning to its normal shape. See, that wasn't too difficult. It'll take some time to return to its normal shape, but it looks a bit better now. You can see the edges. Jupiter too. Yeah, it looks great. AMT Etrl, so you know it's mid to late 90s. And that says 1998 on the box. There we go. Yeah, that's the cover. Oh my. Oh, look at that. Look at that nice base. You can see the base through the plastic. Lost in Space base. And all the parts of the ship, all still in its original bag. So that's great. You've got something clear here. I'm sure the instructions will tell us what it is. Oh, you've got the decals. There you go. Now there's the decals. Still pretty good after all this time. Keep it under that blueprinter thing. There we go. And then we have the instruction guide. So there it is. Instruction guide. French and English. Good, I can practice my French. Ah, here we go. Just a second here. You can see the first two sections there. You can see the color chart. So I would use my app on my cell phone to find what the matching Tamiya colors are for those. And then, of course, the section where all the decals go. All right, so that's pretty good. I guess I'd better get the 4 kits out so I can take a thumbnail picture for the video. But anyway, that's all for now, and I will post this channel when it's time on the Sean's Model Builds. Be a Monday channel, no doubt. So I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.